Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wanted to completely level up your productivity and have all your notes looking sharp, organized, and easy to find, you're in the right place. Today I'm showing you the ultimate guide to note-taking in Notion with a step-by-step tutorial. And by the end, you'll not only have your own professional-looking notes set up, but you'll also be saving tons of time every time you jot something down. Let's dive right in. For this demo, we're going to use one of Notion's free note-taking templates. Now, I know templates might sound intimidating if you've never used them before, but trust me, these give your notes a really polished look, and you can personalize everything as much as you like down the line. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open up Notion. Look at the very top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines there, the menu button. Click on that to open up more options. It's the little details like this that help you unlock all the power Notion has under the hood. Once you've clicked that menu, look for the Templates option in the sidebar. Notion has made this super accessible. It's their way of saying, "We get it, you don't want to start from scratch every time." Click on Browse Templates. If this is your first time here, you might see a library with all sorts of categories, everything from project management to personal goals. But for today, just focus on the search bar at the top. Type in note-taking and you'll see several template options pop up. Take your time exploring these if you want. Each template is a little different. Some have simple lists, others are more like digital notebooks with colorful columns, all ready to be filled in. Pick the one that feels right for the way you like to take notes. Remember, you can come back and try another if you want to experiment later. Once you found one you like, just click on it and then hit Use this template or Add. Don't worry, this doesn't change anything unless you confirm, so feel free to preview a couple if you're curious. Now here where the magic happens. Your new note-taking template appears in your Notion workspace ready to go. This is the canvas for all your ideas, lecture notes, recipes, whatever you want. And because it's a template, a lot of the hard setup work is already done for you. It'll have professionally arranged sections for things like titles, dates, categories. Think of it as a really welcoming notebook, but digital and customizable in every way. You can start adding your own credentials or creative information right away. For example, maybe you want to start a notebook for your math class, your work meetings, or a fiction writing project. All you need to do is start typing in the relevant boxes. If you'd like to get creative, you can personalize the template right now. Change the cover, add an icon, tweak the colors, or rearrange the sections to fit your style. Notion really shines here. You can make it as simple or as decorative as you want. And that's it for real. You now have a professional, organized note-taking system that's ready to use and super easy to update anytime. Remember, you can always come back to this template and tweak it as you discover what works best for you. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, maybe you're stuck or want more tips, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And for more tutorials on Notion and productivity tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy note-taking.